Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Alicia, if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. Okay, so there has been this influx with major hair brands, hair care companies like Pantene and Aussie and Head and Shoulders to come out with a natural hair care line. Well, Suave has followed suit. They now have a line specifically for natural hair. I love it because it has shea butter, coconut oil in it, no parabens, no dyes, no sulfates, sorry, and it is natural hair approved. So in full disclosure, they did send this to me. However, the collaboration that I had with them was on Instagram, so they're not paying me for this. I just love this product, and the price points on this, absolutely amazing. So I want to show you guys my washing routine using just these products. All right, so first things first is the leave-in conditioner. And I like this stuff works so well that I probably oversaturate my hair. It is a little, it probably should have been in like an actual bottle because it's very I wouldn't say soupy, but it's very, it don't need to be in a jar because it's not as thick. And it would be easy something to like squeeze out. So FYI, if anybody from Suave is listening to this video, can you just put this in a bottle please instead of a jar? It'll make my life a lot better. I'm just saturating my hair with the leave-in conditioner. Not really saturating, but applying enough to get my curls and stuff a little bit saturated. Now we've got the curl defining cream. See, I wish the leave-in conditioner was in a bottle like this. And the curl defining cream has a thicker consistency than the leave-in conditioner, so I'm not sure why, or maybe the same consistency. I'm not sure why they didn't put the leave-in in a bottle. I'm gonna quit itching though. That's about how much I'm doing for the curl defining cream. And I noticed some people like to take, like in this, they'll do this, and they'll do this, and they'll do this. I'm lazy, I'm not doing that. I'm hoping that my fingers are sufficient enough then for me to have to like take each individual section. That's the amount of gel. I'm going to distribute that. And I used to not buy gel. I used to be like, oh, I don't need gel. I just want the leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream. And then I wondered why I wasn't getting the elongation in my washing. I was like, why I was having to basically do something to my hair every 2 or 3 days. It's another round of gel. And what I realized is that the gel, this is what happens. This is how beneficial YouTube is. Gel helps provide that like hard cast for your curls, so it kind of gives it that good definition. And then you just use oil, which I'll show you guys once it's dry, to kind of break that cast to give you the definition that you're looking for. So I went from not buying gels to now I'm just like, if your collection doesn't have a gel with it, I kind of don't want it. So that's what that looks like, guys. So let me take this down. So this is my hair in its natural state. Can you guys see that? Yeah. This is my hair in its natural state. This is the Suave curls. Impressed, aren't you? I know I am. Alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair. Like I said, I'm just going to take the other 3 sections and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back. Alright, so I'm just going to band my hair. And then I'm going to put my makeup on. That's going to take like 30-35 minutes. And then whenever my hair isn't done, I like to just go ahead and I wasn't going to apply heat, but I have places to go. I have things to do. So I'm going to start off on like a cool diffuser setting and then get warm so I can dry this hair so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so all I'm going to do is take, this is the Melanin Hair Care. You guys know Natural 85, well, Whitney, she came out with a hair care line, and so I got this in her twisting cream, and I love using this oil. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the oil, rub it in my hands, And then that is what's going to break apart the cast on my hair. I'm going to take some more oil, not that much because this goes a long way, and then do that to the other side. All right, 360. Okay, so guys, this collection is really good, and it's super cheap. Like, I think you can get the whole collection for, I think, less than $25 or $30. It's a really good collection, which is beneficial because y'all, like, some of y'all are getting out of hand with these natural hair care prices. Like, $20 for a deep conditioner or a mask. I mean, I know you gotta get your coins, so, you know, power to, you know, the women and the other people, the black people, you know, power to y'all. But it's just a lot for a mask. So this collection is really good. The only thing that I will know is that this collection does not have an oil. So that's why I had to do my melanin hair care oil, because I did not see an oil on that collection, or even in the press release where they announced that they were coming out with a natural hair care. I didn't see an oil. Oh well, I'll just use another oil. The collection is bomb. You should try it out. It's not gonna break the bank. They're not paying me to say this. I just believe in giving you guys all the tips and tricks that I use for my hair. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to check out all my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.